In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to make updates to your Wix site. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this guide will help enhance your skills in managing and editing your website. We'll cover everything from accessing your dashboard to customizing your web elements and saving your changes effectively. Let's start by going to Wix's setup page. Open a web browser and navigate to manage.wix.com. Enter your Wix login credentials to access your dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should see your list of sites. Select the site you wish to modify, which brings you to the setup area where you can access various tools needed for site management. Once you're in the editor at editor.wix.com, the next thing you want to do is add new elements to your site. To do so, locate and click on Add Elements on your left-hand toolbar. This option allows you to integrate new functionalities and visuals into your web page, giving it a more dynamic presence. Next, under the Elements tab, find and select Text Mask. Clicking on this will enable you to add unique text styles that can highlight important messages or calls to action on your website. It's beneficial for grabbing the attention of your visitors, enhancing both the user experience and engagement. Once you've added the text mask, the next step is to change the text to suit your specific needs. Simply click on Change Text, where you'll be able to edit the placeholder text. You can type in, for example, under Maintenance if your site is undergoing updates, or any other message that serves your current site goals. Following the text input, it's time to bring a personalized touch by customizing the design. Select Customize Design, which gives you the freedom to alter fonts, colors, and other stylistic details. Taking the time to adjust these settings can significantly impact the look and feel of your site, making it more appealing and on-brand. At any point, if an action isn't needed, you can close unnecessary windows by clicking on the X at the top right. This keeps your workspace tidy and prevents any confusion during the editing phase. To ensure that your changes fit perfectly within your page layout, you might need to resize the elements. This can be done by clicking and dragging the corners of the element to your desired size. Resizing helps maintain the readability and visual harmony of your site. Finally, and crucially, don't forget to save your work frequently. Click the Save button at the top. This step protects your progress and makes sure that all your recent modifications are preserved. It's good practice to save often, especially after substantial changes. By following these steps, you've now effectively managed and updated elements on your Wix website. Stick around for more tips and happy editing.